Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Google Authenticator from Android without losing codes, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your Android device and locate the Google Authenticator app. Once you find it, tap on the app icon to open it. Check if you have any accounts linked to your Google Authenticator. To ensure you don't lose any codes, you will need to store them safely. You can do this by writing down the recovery codes provided by each account. Alternatively, take screenshots of the QR codes or codes listed in the app. Make sure you secure these codes in a safe location. Next, open your device's settings menu. Scroll down to find the Apps or Applications section. Tap on Apps to see the list of installed applications. Locate Google Authenticator from the list and select it. Once in the app settings, look for the Uninstall button. Tap on Uninstall to begin the removal process. Confirm your choice to uninstall the app. After the app is removed, open the Google Play Store. Search for Google Authenticator in the Play Store. Once found, tap Install to download and reinstall the app. After the installation is complete, open Google Authenticator once again. You'll now need to set up your accounts again. Use the recovery codes you saved earlier to add back each account. For accounts that provided QR codes, you can scan them again. Once all your accounts are re-added, you're all set. You have successfully uninstalled Google Authenticator without losing any codes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.